I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a suitable image and placing it where you can find it quickly. Once done, open your system settings. Windows users go to Personalization, Mac users open Desktop and Screensaver. Make sure the image format is supported and resolution matches your display for sharpness. While in Settings, you'll see Preview areas and Layout options. Keep the Settings window visible because the next step is changing the source and layout directly from this panel. Now add the file and pick how it fills the screen. Click Browse or the plus icon to import the saved image, then select Fill, Fit, Stretch, Center, or Tile depending on how you want it positioned. Fill preserves aspect ratio, Fit avoids cropping. If you have multiple monitors, select each screen in the settings and assign the same or different images. Make sure to preview at full screen. If edges look wrong, return to Layout and switch modes until it appears correct. Finish by applying the change so the system stores the new wallpaper. On Windows, click Apply or OK. On macOS, simply close the desktop preferences and the change persists. If the wallpaper reverts or doesn't show, make sure the image file isn't on a disconnected drive and that it has correct permissions. Copy it to Pictures and try again. If the screen stays blank, update your graphics drivers or restart the system. That resolves most display caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.